Hey everyone, it's Karen with Yes Please PaperCrafts, and today I have a little bit of a Dollar Tree haul and then some Target bins that I want to share with you guys. So first up is some sheer ribbon. This is 6 yards and it's a really pretty peach color. And I always check the ribbon when I go to Dollar Tree because my store doesn't really have a lot, so whenever I go there I check to see what they have. And today I found quite a few, so I was really excited. But this is such a pretty color. And it's 6 yards for $1. And then next up we have another sheer ribbon. This one is green, and it's kind of like a Christmas green, which is awesome because I can use this for Christmas gifts. And I like this color, it's really pretty. Okay, and then I found some of this diamond wrap trim. And I was so excited because I have only ever seen the gold color in my store, and it was a wider one. So this was a super exciting find. I found one that was red. Isn't that pretty? And this has 9 feet, which is 3 yards. Or is that 1 yard? No, it's 3 yards. I had to think about that for a minute. Okay, so I found that one. And then the next color I found was gold. And I had a gold one, but it was wider than this one. I apologize for my dogs barking in the background. I have 2 little Yorkies. And they're very yappy sometimes, and today I don't know what's going on, but they just want to bark and bark and bark. If they keep it up, I might have to go put them outside. Okay, this next one is a really pretty green. Oh man, she's gonna be in trouble. I told her to be quiet. Okay, and we have this really pretty purple. If she makes me stop this video, I'm gonna be upset. And the last one I'm going to show you, and then I'm going to go put my dog in the backyard. This is a pink. This is really pretty pink. Okay, now I'm going to go and I'll be right back. Y'all won't miss me though, okay? I'll be right back. Okay, so hopefully I won't get interrupted again. I really apologize. My dogs are usually pretty good when I'm filming videos, but for some reason they've been barking all day today. I think maybe the neighbor's kids are playing outside and they just want to bark at them. So, okay, so that was the ribbon I got. And then I was standing in line when I was ready to check out. And I'm not really sure why, but my Dollar Tree only ever has 1 cashier. And there was probably 10 people standing in line, and I had a long wait. And while I was there, I was looking at all the stuff in the end cap. And near the stuff that they had out for fall, I found these really cool diamond wrap things, and I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to use it for, but it was super pretty, so I picked a couple up. It's an adhesive diamond wrap, and it's 6 inches by 10 inches, and this one has maple leaves. It's really pretty. And then I found this one, which has acorns. I've never seen this in my Dollar Tree before. I don't know if they've had it before, and I just never noticed it. I tend not to look too much at the decorations. And then this one is copper leaves. That's really pretty too. So I got those 3. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it. I'm going to have to figure that out, I guess. I'm going to put that over here so it's not so shiny. Okay, and then the last thing I got from the Dollar Tree was these little bins. These are, what are these called? These are storage drawer organizers. And these are awesome to put inside your Kallax drawer or any kind of drawer that you have. They're pretty shallow. And it's great for things like pens and scissors or washi tape, glitter, anything you have like that would need to be contained. And I just love buying organizers to put inside my drawers to keep things kind of organized. So these were really an awesome find. I have a hard time sometimes finding these different kinds of bins at my store. The stores that we have here are fairly small. And so anytime I can go in there and find storage items, I usually try to pick them up. But yeah, this was actually in a place where it wasn't supposed to be, which is probably the only reason I was able to pick it up, because usually they sell out of this kind of stuff pretty quick. I had another one though that was this same kind of a drawer organizer, except it was square, and I think I have 1 or 2 of them, and I've never seen them in the store again, and I think I bought them last year, so I kind of wish they would bring those back. But I was happy to find these 3. So I got those, and then I also wanted to share with you, this was one I actually bought last year. I have a few of these, and I'd like to get a couple more, and that's kind of why I went into the Dollar Tree to begin with. was because I wanted to pick up a couple more of these fridge storage bins. These are awesome, and if you have a Kallax shelving unit from Ikea, and then you have the drawer inserts that have the 2 drawers, you can fit 3 of these bins in the drawer this way, or you can fit 3 going this way. And I have things stored in there like my re-inkers. I have glitter, embossing powder, like all kinds of stuff. And what's really cool about it is I can just go to the Alex drawer and pull out this whole bin and bring it to my work table, and it's awesome. So if you see these little fridge bins in your store, definitely pick these up because they're really great for craft storage. That's all the items I had from Dollar Tree, but I also went over to Target because I wanted to look at their storage baskets that they have over there, and I want to show you what I got. I got this one, and I've already taken this off, but this is the storage baskets from Room Essentials. This particular one had 3 in the pack, and it was $7.99. And these are awesome. They're very sturdy, heavy-duty plastic, and it's got this woven pattern on the side. And they come in a lot of different colors. They have white and pink and green and black, brown, clear. I'm not sure what other colors they come in, but they come in quite a few colors. I've never seen this particular set in there before, but I have a project that I want to do, organizational project, and I needed something that was fairly shallow because I want to put this in my Alex drawer unit. And this is just an awesome size. Isn't that cool? Well, how big is this? This large one is 13 and a half about by 10 by 2 3/8 inch. And so I have some ideas about something I want to try with this storage bin, and these would be great for the Alex drawer units. I kind of just wish that Target would be able to would have this particular one to sell just by itself, or even any of these individually, but it comes as a set. And I went online and looked at the Target online, and I did not see these for sale individually. So I wanted to share with you one more thing, and that is this storage bin set. Now this one I got last year, and I got 2 of these, and it's a 5-piece set, and it cost $9.99. And I went online to Target and I didn't see it there, and it also was not available in the store. So I don't know if they discontinued selling this particular set, or they just are out of stock right now and they don't have it available. But this is really awesome because it comes with a large bin like this, and it's about 5.5 inches tall. And this is my favorite color. This is the jade green, and this is what I've been buying. I would have bought the jade green for this set, but they didn't have it available in my store. They only had white. So, but the white's pretty, and it'll be inside my Alex drawer, and the Alex drawer is white, so I figured that would work okay. I also have this size, which is, it's kind of like a pencil cup size, and I have these in my Rascog cart, and I store things like paintbrushes and pens and markers and things like that. And then this one here, it's called a half size, and you can actually fit 2 of these. It's like half the size of the big one. They do have this one here, the half size one, available for $3.99 individually. And they also have the larger one, this bigger one right here, for $5.99. But I didn't see the set. So the set was a good deal because all of these 5 pieces were $9.99. So what I wanted to mention too is if you have the Kallax unit or the Target cubes, you can fit these in there, and it's the perfect size to go into the Kallax unit. You can either fit one of the large bins, or you can fit 2 of these smaller ones. And this little bin right here is great for storing sprays and inks and anything that comes in a bottle, like the trying to think of different things. My mind just went blank. Acrylic paint, dilution sprays, the new distress oxides, anything like that. This is the perfect bin to store that in. So I just love these bins, and so I just decided while I was doing this small Dollar Tree haul that I would share with you the ones that I got, these new ones, and just kind of show you some of the other ones that are available. They do have similar bins at the Dollar Tree that have a woven side to them, but they never have them in my store. I think, and then usually the colors are kind of strange. Sometimes they'll have really bright, like primary colors like yellow and green, or they'll have like neon colors like bright pink and bright purple, and it just does not go in my craft room. A few years back, I think it's been 2-3 years ago, I got some of those, and it was in a really pretty dark kind of teal blue, and I have never seen those in the Dollar Tree since. So I really wish Dollar Tree would bring back some of the really pretty colors, something like white or aqua or teal, something that's, you know, more sophisticated, I guess. So I don't know. I can't seem to find those in my Dollar Tree, and so I started buying these Target bins, and I think the Target bins are really cool. One of the other things I really like about the Target bins is they're very vertical, meaning that the sides go straight down, and so you can store things like stickers or things that are like more square, where the ones from the Dollar Tree go down at an angle, and so they're not as functional. So I just love the Target ones, and I just wanted to share with you guys what I found. So I have a project in mind for these little narrow ones that I'm going to be doing a video on soon. And that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, please give it a like. If you would like to see more videos, please subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.